Let's get into phonics. Here is our learning target. I can identify the short vowel sounds when sounding out words. So that I can identify the medial sound within a word, I am successful when I can sound out words correctly. Let's talk to the alpha blocks. A, we read, is Bob big? We are going to sort out the words that have the middle sound A with the letter A and the middle A sound for the letter O. Let's look. An, tan. Where do you think that goes? Good job. In letter A. Let's try the next word. Ought. Where does tot go? Very good. Oh. How about this word? Ox. Box. Where does that go? Good job. What about the word cat? Yes, good. Ah, for letter A. What about fat? Good job. F, fat. How about the word can? Very good. Ah. What about Bob? Where does Bob go? Oh, good job. Oh, very good, boys and girls.